Futuristic 3D printer building a home narrator. Want to learn how to build your dream tiny house faster and more sustainably? This video reveals the secrets of 3D printing for home construction, showcasing the incredible possibilities of this innovative technology. From design to delivery, your future home might be just a print away. Welcome to Civil Engineering Edge. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking shift in modern construction: 3D printed tiny homes. Imagine a world where your home can be printed in a matter of days with less waste, lower costs, and personalized design. Sounds like science fiction. It's happening right now. In this video, we'll break down the technology, real-world applications, and step-by-step process behind 3D printed tiny houses. Whether you're a civil engineer, architect, or future homeowner, stay tuned as we explore how this innovation is shaping the future of affordable housing. 3D printing, transforming the construction industry. 3D printing is revolutionizing the construction industry by offering faster, more efficient, and sustainable ways to build homes and infrastructure. Unlike traditional methods, 3D printing eliminates the need for bricks and mortar, using a robotic arm or gantry system to precisely extrude material in layers, creating walls and structural components. This cutting-edge approach reduces labor dependency, minimizes material waste, and shortens construction timelines significantly. More importantly, it opens the door to complex designs and forms that were once difficult or costly to produce. In urban planning and affordable housing initiatives, 3D printing offers new solutions to old problems, from disaster recovery housing to smart city developments. Civil engineers and architects are now rethinking how we approach construction, with 3D printing at the center of this evolution. It's more than just technology, it's a movement that's reshaping the built environment. Basics of 3D printing technology in construction. At its core, 3D printing in construction, also called additive manufacturing, involves creating structures layer by layer from a digital 3D model. Instead of carving or molding materials, it extrudes a construction-grade mixture, often a concrete-like material, through a large-scale printer guided by a computer. This process enables precision that is hard to achieve with traditional tools. The printer reads the digital blueprint and follows specific coordinates to lay material exactly where it's needed. The result is a fully automated, error-minimized construction system. The main types of 3D construction printers include robotic arms, gantry systems, and crane-like setups, each suited for different scales of building. By removing much of the manual labor and standardizing quality, this technology not only streamlines construction, but also makes it safer and more predictable. As advancements continue, 3D printing is becoming increasingly viable for everything from emergency shelters to custom homes. Real-world examples of 3D printed structures. Across the globe, real-world applications of 3D printed buildings are making headlines. In Mexico, a non-profit used 3D printing to build an entire community of homes for low-income families, each completed in just 24 hours. In the Netherlands, the world's first fully inhabited 3D printed concrete house features unique curved walls and futuristic aesthetics. In Dubai, the municipality printed a 2-story office building, the largest of its kind, using robotic arms and smart concrete mixes. In India and the US, startup companies are developing 3D printed homes designed for disaster relief and rural housing. These examples demonstrate the power of this technology to address both architectural creativity and social housing needs. The success of these structures proves not only the feasibility, but also the scalability of 3D printing in real-world construction scenarios. From prototypes to permanent residences, 3D printed buildings are no longer experimental. They are becoming a reliable part of modern construction. Benefits of 3D printing: speed, efficiency, and customization. One of the biggest advantages of 3D printing is speed. Entire structures can be built in days instead of weeks or months. Automated printers can work around the clock, dramatically reducing construction time. Then comes efficiency. By using just the required amount of material, 3D printing eliminates excess waste and cuts down environmental impact. Plus, this technique enables the creation of complex and customized designs. Organic curves, overhangs, and integrated insulation channels are easily achievable without molds or forms. Labor costs are also significantly reduced, as fewer workers are needed on site. On top of that, it enhances construction safety by minimizing human involvement in hazardous conditions. For sustainable construction, 3D printing can use recycled or alternative materials, further reducing its carbon footprint. Combined, these benefits make 3D printing an attractive option not only for housing but for schools, emergency shelters, and even Mars habitat prototypes. Building a tiny house with 3D printing, the process. Creating a 3D printed tiny house begins with a digital blueprint, a 3D model designed to exact specifications. This model is converted into G-code, the language that directs the printer's movements. Once ready, the large-scale 3D printer begins extruding layers of material, forming the walls, partitions, and structural elements. Most of the printing is done on-site, reducing the need for transportation. While the printer builds the core structure, windows, doors, electrical conduits, and plumbing are installed either during or after the printing process. The entire construction can be completed in 24 to 72 hours, depending on the house size and features. With modular integration, roofing, insulation, and interior finishing are added swiftly. For tiny houses, this process is especially beneficial. The smaller footprint allows for even faster completion, less material usage, and more efficient space optimization. In short, 3D printing enables a rapid, eco-friendly, and affordable way to bring dream homes to life. The technology behind a 3D printed tiny house. The core technology used in 3D printed tiny houses typically involves gantry-style or robotic arm printers powered by software that reads digital architectural designs. These printers use extrusion-based printing, where a cementitious material, often a mix of concrete, sand, and special additives, is pushed through a nozzle and layered to form walls. Sensors and laser systems guide precision, while automated adjustments ensure consistent flow and thickness. Some systems integrate reinforcement elements, like steel bars or fibers, during the layering process for added structural integrity. Advanced control systems allow for real-time monitoring, ensuring that every line of material is laid exactly as intended. The printers are mobile, allowing for on-site construction without heavy logistics. In the case of tiny houses, the compact design works perfectly with the printer's range and scalability. This advanced yet accessible technology transforms a once complicated building process into a streamlined, automated marvel of engineering. Design process? From digital models to printed reality, the design journey begins on a computer with a Building Information Modeling (BIM) software or CAD tool. Architects and engineers create detailed 3D models of the tiny house, including room layouts, wall thickness, openings, and even embedded utilities. These digital blueprints are then translated into printer instructions using slicing software, which divides the design into printable layers. Each layer is coded into precise coordinates that guide the printer's path. This stage ensures high accuracy, consistency, and adaptability. Changes can be made quickly without needing new molds or materials. Once finalized, the printer receives the file and printing begins. Throughout the process, quality control systems track each layer for errors, ensuring the structure follows the design faithfully. The digital-to-physical workflow not only saves time but allows for creative freedom, enabling the use of curves, non-standard shapes, and personalized elements that are difficult to achieve with conventional construction methods. Materials used: sustainable and durable choices. The materials used in 3D printed tiny houses are carefully selected for durability, workability, and sustainability. Most commonly, a cement-based mixture is used, combining cement, sand, fibers, and water with admixtures that improve setting time and flow. Some companies are now experimenting with geopolymer concrete, which reduces carbon emissions, or recycled materials like industrial byproducts and plastic composites. These mixes are engineered for fast curing, structural integrity, and long-term weather resistance. Additionally, insulation materials and lightweight panels can be incorporated into the walls for thermal efficiency. Unlike traditional materials that generate significant waste, 3D printing uses only what's needed, no formwork, scaffolding, or offcuts. This eco-conscious approach reduces carbon footprints and supports green building standards. For tiny houses, these materials ensure not just strength and safety, but also affordability and ease of transport, making them ideal for mobile homes, vacation units, or compact urban living. Benefits and conclusions. 3D printing is redefining the possibilities of construction, especially in the tiny house market. By enabling quick build times, low material waste, and custom design flexibility, it makes affordable housing more accessible than ever. With fewer labor needs and minimal environmental impact, the process supports sustainable development goals while saving costs. For homeowners, 3D printing offers more than convenience. It provides creative control and faster results. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect smarter materials, better automation, and greater global adoption. From urban housing crises to rural development, this innovation holds the key to scalable, eco-friendly solutions. Tiny houses are just the beginning. The revolution is already underway. Are you ready to be part of it? Whether you're an engineer, a builder, or a dreamer, 3D printed homes may soon be within your reach. The future of housing isn't just built, it's printed. Thanks for watching. We hope this video gave you a clear insight into how 3D printing is transforming the world of tiny homes. If you found this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Civil Engineering Edge for more cutting-edge insights into modern construction. Don't forget to comment below. Would you live in a 3D printed house? Your thoughts could inspire others. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video on innovations in civil engineering, sustainable housing, and construction technology. Until next time, build smart, live smart.